If you need to print the variable serial number, that is, the counting content in the printed information will be automatically updated without human intervention. Please click the button to preview. A default serial number item will appear in the area. In the advanced interface, you can select different fixed bit numbers. The maximum bit number is 8, the high bit is filled with 0. And you can also select a custom prefix. If the current prefix is blank, it is equivalent to a natural number. The Inkjet Printer system includes for counters, counter 1, counter 2, counter 3, and counter 4. Listed in the Counter ID drop-down menu, you can set the initial value, step value, current value, and repeat count for each counter through the Counter Settings menu. In the Advanced interface, select the 1000 Separators button to add 1000 separators to the serial number. In the General interface, you can adjust the serial number's position, font, size, and other properties.